Unit 7. A little science works a lot of magic. Read about it.
Things often have more uses than we could ever imagine. In fact, some common items that we use every day can perform magic if we know how to use them. Take sugar cubes, for example. You can add one to a drink to make it sweet. However, do you know that they are also helpful in keeping cookies crisp? Just prepare 2 jars of cookies and put several sugar cubes into one of the jars. After 2 weeks, you will find that the cookies in the jar with sugar cubes are crisper than the cookies in the other jar. This is an easy way to keep cookies crisp, isn't it? How it exactly works is that sugar cubes absorb moisture. That's why you can prevent cookies from turning soft. Better yet, the same method can be used to store milk powder, peanuts, and so on. If you are not impressed by the magic above, try the following trick with oil or a citrus peel. Many people have stained their desks by accident when they use markers or correction fluid. When you have difficulty removing such stains, what can you do? Try using some oil or citrus peels. Believe it or not, baby oil can effectively help remove stubborn stains, and so can the oil from potato chips. Just follow these steps. First, prepare some oil. Then, put a few drops on the stain. 2 minutes later, gently wipe up the oil and the stain with some tissues or a cloth. Amazingly, the stain will disappear. A citrus peel will also work in this way. First, have a citrus peel ready. Next, squeeze a few drops of juice from the peel onto the stain. Lastly, rub the stain with the citrus peel. The stain will gradually come off and be gone at last. The secret behind this magic is that the organic substances from these kinds of oil and the acid content from a citrus peel can break down a stain and thus make it easier to remove the stain. Although these tricks may seem like magic, they are really just examples of the use of science in our everyday life. Science can look like eye-catching magic when you don't understand it. However, when you do, you will realize that science is not just for the laboratory, but also for everyday life.